Automobili Lamborghini, the super sport car manufacturer located in Sant'Agata Bolognese, Italy, restart after 7 weeks of lockdown their production on May the 4th. After 1 month of ramp up, we are now full operative in all our production lines. Also our supply chain, which is made of more than 600 suppliers located all over the world, are also operative and was always constantly monitoring during the lockdown. During our stop, we were not completely closed. We reconvert some of our production department, like our saddlery department in the Aventador line or our 3D printers, in order to produce surgical masks and protective shields for our Bologna hospital. Also, our dealer network is gradually reopening. Up to now, more than 90% of our dealers are full operative. We maintain a strong first quarter in terms of deliveries, almost at the same level of the one of 2019. We have a solid order bank, and we are looking to the future in an optimistic way, always watching the situation outside. The reopening was subject to a discussion and definition of the rules in a joint committee established by our company together with the trade unions. All the procedures, equipment, activity which are implemented were discussed there and agreed all together. We organized the procedures in order to ensure our employees' health. The main guidelines which we are following are to keep the distance between the people and to have protection. For keeping the distance, we reorganize our shifts, we organize our time to come to work in order not to have too many people in the same places. We control and check our production line to ensure that the people have enough space to work without getting in touch with the others. For what concerning the safety measure, is mandatory in our factory to use mouth and nose protection, and in case you are working closer, more than 1 meter, also gloves and glasses. Inside the office, we promote the home office. So we have more than 40% of our white collar which are working at home to avoid to have too many people inside our open space. Where it's necessary to have people together, sit together, or inside our canteen, we install plastic barrier to avoid any possible contact. All the measures we install, all the procedures were deeply communicated to our employee. We have done 1 day of full training at the beginning to our workers in order to explain and to describe all the procedure and all the equipment they have to use. We install pictures in all our common area, canteen, open space, relax area, and also we print out a booklets which we deliver to all the employees in order to remember all the things we have done together.